I hope you all are enjoying our event so far. My name is Apurva Bendre. I am serving as the current president to Desi JAGS, the Indian Students Association at IUPUI. Let me briefly introduce to you Desi JAGS. We are a registered student organization aimed to help all international students right from the time they get admitted to IUPUI till the time they graduate and beyond. We have mainly two mission statements. One is to assist all international students with things like visa application process, off-campus housing, on-campus job search, academics, and also finding full-time jobs after they graduate. And the second mission statement is to promote the Desi culture in and around Indianapolis by creating cultural festivals and celebrating these festivals like Garba, Diwali, Holi, etc. We are missing some of the vibrant faces in this picture, but this is our team Desi JAGS for 2021. We primarily work in two verticals. One is the student affairs and the second is events and festivals, which serves each of our mission statements. We also have multiple other initiatives like the Desi JAGS dance group, which will be performing later tonight. Then we also have the Desi JAGS Cricket Club. If anyone of you are interested in playing cricket, then please make sure you contact us. We have a very talented team. We also have the Desi JAGS Photography Club. The people you can see with the cameras tonight, clicking your beautiful faces and capturing your moments are a part of this club. And we also have internal and external volunteering opportunities to engage the students with community and encourage a give-back attitude. Desi JAGS was founded by Anirudh Vajala, Krishna Akki, and in 2016, and ever since we have been receiving award every year. We received the Student Organization of the Year award in 2017-18 out of 600 plus other student organizations on campus. Later, a year later, we received the USJ Senator of the Year for 2018-19, and in 2019-20, we received the Outstanding Multicultural Student Organization of the Year award. In 2020, we operated in virtual mode because of COVID, and we are back in person in 2020, and here is to hoping a big year for Desi JAGS. Talking about some of the events we host, here are some pictures from our previous events. We do a welcome party every year for every semester for the new incoming international students. This is called as Let's Break the Ice. If we just go back to the previous slide. This is basically organized to make the new incoming students interact with the current students and make them feel at home. We also organize Garba Night, which we host for around 400 people on campus. Then there is Diwali. You guys are experiencing it right now. Then there is Let's Break the Ice for the spring semester, and we also host a Holi event, which is basically a festival of colors. This is one of the most unique events we hosted here at IUPUI. It was a professional dance showcase by Deeksha, which is our ex-president, who performed Bharatanatyam. And that's me. I'm a professional Kathak dancer. So both of us collaborated for this dance showcase here at IUPUI. Yeah, I mean, you must have, in the beginning, you must have watched some of the promo videos from all of these events. So yeah, these are some of the events which we host. This is one of so COVID, as we know, was tough time for everyone, and it was especially tough for our international students, some of whom lost their jobs and had no means to get basic grocery, like no means for transportation to get their basic grocery. So during these very difficult times, Desi JAGS, in association with HTCI, provided free groceries to these students, and this initiative was greatly appreciated by all our students. This is an upcoming initiative by Desi JAGS, where we would like to provide scholarships for the students in need. As you can see here, we have multiple scholarship categories like need-based scholarships, merit scholarships, an emergency fund to assist anybody in need. This initiative would totally be run on donations. So I would really request you all to please generously donate to Desi Jags for this noble cause. We have multiple options for you to donate, and you can reach out to any of our volunteers if you have any questions. You can follow us on Facebook, Spot, and Instagram to get regular updates from Desi Jags. That's it for now. I hope you will enjoy the rest of the evening. Over to you, Aditi and Soumya. Thank you.